Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny skit, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we will show you how to make it happen. Don't let your ideas stay hidden. Let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So you have just firstly to create an account if you don't have an account, and also you can link by using your email address and you get started with youtube.com. So first you have just to create a vertical video that's under 60 seconds. Sign in YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. And then select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags, including hashtag shorts. Adjust also the visibility settings to your preference. Then click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with new viewers. Alright? So firstly, you have just to click over here and click over upload video, and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. Once you do that, you'll find this page as you can see. Drag and drop video files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. So I will just select the files here, and then I will just scroll down. They will select here my video. As you can see, I will click over test and I will click over open. Then you'll find these steps that you have to follow. Then you click over next once you're done. So firstly, I will just add a title here, for example test here, and then I will just write shorts, for example. Shorts like that. Then I will just add a description to viewers about my video, or you can use the AI to just write something here about the videos and describing the videos. Also, you can mention some channel if you want. Then we have also here the thumbnail if you want about this one. We have set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers' attention. So for example, we have the upload file, auto-generated, test and compare. You have the playlist here as you can see. Add your video to one or more playlists to organize your content for viewers. You have just to create a playlist if you want, and also you click over done once you're done. Then we have also the option of audience. Is this video made for kids? Regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act and or other laws. You are required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids as you can see. If it's a yes or no, it's not made for kids, or yes, it's made for kids. I will just select no. Then we have here also age restriction. As you can see, if you want to restrict my video to viewers over than 80, or no, don't restrict my video to viewers all over 80 only. Then we have here, for example, paid promotion. As you can see, you can just select here if you want your video content paid promotion, like product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. And also on the right you will find here the link. As you can see, you can just copy it and share it with your friends. Then also we have here the option of altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? You click over yes or no. Then we have also here automatic chapters. As you can see, you can just click over here if you allow automatic chapter and key moments. You have also here allow automatic places if you want, allow automatic concepts, and also we have here tags if you want to just add tags. For example, I will just add tags, for example, shorts. Then here we have language and caption certification. I will just select here the language and I will just scroll down, select United States. About caption, I will select if I want here this content has never aired television, or here the content does not fall in with a category of online programming. The content has not aired on US, or the content has only aired on television in the US without captions. You can just select the one you think or the one you want. Or you can just let no one. You have a recording date and location and when and where your video was recorded. Viewers can search for videos by location, right? Then we have lessons as well. So for example, here you have just to select if you want a Creative Commons attribution, and you will have also here standard video YouTube lessons. You have just also here to select allow embedding if you want publish to subscription feed and notify the subscription. Then we have also here short mixing. If you want others create shorts using content from this video, you can just click on allow video and audio mixing. We can just allow only audio remixing or don't allow remixing, as you can see. And we have also here the option of category. Add your video to a category viewers can find it more easily. If one here people blog, profiles and or news, music, also gaming, film, education, comedy, and other things such as sports, traveling, and science as well. Then you have just right now to comments and ratings. If you want to just comments to switch it on or switch it off, I will just make it off if you want, or you can just make it on to see the comment of your followers. Then here we have sort by New Year's or the top. Then we have also here show how many viewers like this video if you want, and then you click over next and you just pass to the next one, which is video element. About this one, if you want to add subtitles, or you add here cards if you want, and you click over next, and you have here the button, the step of checks will check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. Then you click over next, and then we have the last one, which is visibility. Choose when to publish and who can see your video. If you want here to make it private, only you and people you choose can watch your video. Then we have here unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch your video, or public, everyone can watch your video. I will just make it private and then we'll click save. If you want to also make it public, as you can see, then we have to click over save, and here we have our short video is like that, as you can see, and you can just get started right now and you create your short videos. Also we have the other options such as videos, shorts, live posts, playlists, and we have podcasts promotions as well. In the left you'll find here the option of the dashboard, content, analytics, settings, send feedback, and other options, as you can see. So this is how you can get started and you create your short video using YouTube from your PC, and you upload it from your PC. And this is it for the video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.